All right, let's get it. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to Slow Markets. I'm Coach Dakota, Coach DBA. As always, in the YouTube chat, there's our Topstep risk disclosure. Everything I say and go over is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. It's not a signals class, and it looks and sounds good. Thank you, Coach Hoop. Appreciate it. How's everybody up to this evening? I'm feeling so much better, full of energy. I've taken some pre-workout, so I got a lot of energy to burn off. Okay, it's sparring night tonight, and let's get to these markets, shall we? Nasdaq daily, you guys, everyone who's been tuning in for the past couple of weeks, honestly, knows what I have been watching, what I've been looking at, and it's been consolidation, condensing. And we talked about this yesterday, this doji candle looking for a push higher. And sure enough, today we got that. Thursday night, Friday's price action. We're bumping up against that big round number. This has been the line of the sand for a couple of months now. 30,000. We just touched it. We're just below that tonight. 29,890s. These markets are absolutely moving. Dang, we're getting quite the sell-off here. So let's hurry up. I need to be quick with it. You can see this was resistance. Are we seeing resistance again here at 30,000? Do we look to buy this? Are we looking for a pullback? Maybe a pullback to come down and retest a previous level of support and resistance, which would be 29,000, mid to lower 700s. And you can see we rejected off that today. Kind of consolidating here for most of the evening, 29,900s. Not too much on the hourly chart. Let's zoom into a 5-minute. You can see as soon as we start class, right at the top of the hour, we get this spike in volatility, testing the lows, this is the low of power hour. So maybe some buying opportunities. Not sure. We don't have any. Do we have news or headlines coming off? Nothing too crazy. Maybe some core CPI. That's not till next week. Yeah, nothing. It's pretty quiet. Pretty quiet for the rest of the night. And tomorrow, for planned headlines, it doesn't mean that we're not going to get a tape bomb from or Twitter or something dramatic. Who knows? Who absolutely knows? But selling is coming in tonight. And if you guys didn't notice, if you guys are just tuning in now, I got a new playlist. So let's get that playlist up and going. I requested it, so don't judge me. All right. I have not heard these songs before. And so the playlist is new. I'm hearing it for the first time myself. As I go through it in the YouTube chat, there's the socials. Go ahead and tag me. And tag me. #SlowMarkets. I got my live account again, ready and queued up. I've had a great week in the live account in terms of just following process over profits. It's quite fun. So let's get the playlist going. I remember I'm listening to it for the first time with you. Let's see if we get the music going. Come on. Yeah? Okay. We'll see. Let me know if it's too loud. What's good? A great week. Let's go. How was that massage today? Yeah, I got a massage today. Had my massage lady on call. Show me how to do the thing. Do what thing? That's correct. 30 days. Do we see 29,800s to 9-day moving average? Maybe we're seeing some selling pressure to start. We'll watch it. I gotta pull up the playlist. My not playlist, watch list. Let's see what's going on. Must feel relaxed. It was good. I I fall asleep sometimes during massages. There we go. Let's see if we can scalp this market up. Scalp this market up. Show them how to put the green on the screen. Yeah, this, you know, everyone knows. Slow markets right here on Topstep. We're in a different class compared to the rest of the streaming that's going on right now. There's lots of streamers. I started slow markets almost 3 years ago. I'm original. This is where I learned how to trade over 14 years ago at this time, the Asian session. I started it, and now everyone, it's a copycat industry. I'm seeing people copying. Oh man, I'm going to start streaming at this time. I'm going to start streaming, which is cool to see, but they're not on the same level. They try. And I'm all for it. Try it. Been doing this for way too long. Maybe they just don't have a good enough playlist. Maybe just not a good enough playlist. All right, markets continue to find some selling pressure here. Let's take it. I don't mind a short. I'm gonna take a short. Let's see if we get a short and a scalp and a breakdown. Where's that risk gonna be? That risk, I don't mind putting it right there. Gonna get in a little bit early. This is a little bit early. I don't know. I don't know if I'm feeling it. This is pretty intense. This is an intense one. Here we go. Look at the sell-off. New session lows. Let's get through this. Let's pay for some dinner. Oh, that's a switch up. That's a switch up on the playlist. There we go. All right, I'll take one off there for 17 points. We went from intense music to set in the mood. Got 20 points. There we go. I'll take one off right there. Let's tighten up that risk. All right. Okay. Okay. I'm going to take it. I'm happy. 27 points. 123. 1, 2, 3. Do we just end it? We could just end it here. See what I mean? Live account. Real executions. Showing everything. I honestly, I don't think you can get that anywhere else. Live account. Real orders going through the order books. Showing everything in front of you. Like, everything you guys see is what I see. The only thing, I expand the charts. See? Look, there you go. I expand the charts, and that's all I see. Yeah, you guys get to see it. Yeah, just mic drop. I got sparring here tonight, so. Yeah, just like that, 27 points. Caught $100 on that, nice. Yeah, hit that like button. Where are we at? Is it stuck? Here, I'll hit that refresh. I got a hashtag slow markets too myself. Let's. Oh. There you go. We're at 100. Light work. Light work. Man, we bounced off that too. Look at that. We bounced off that. Yeah, we're all positive now. Call it a night. Who faded it? All right, I gotta switch the song out. Switch the song. Yeah, I got a hashtag slow markets. Here's my hashtag slow markets. I'll pull it up in a second. Oh, not a calculator. W playlist. I like this song. This is a good one. Remember, I'm listening to this playlist for the first time. I got it from the team, non-copyright music. All right, here's my hashtag slow markets. Mine, personally. Who's ready for this? This is premiering tomorrow on Topstep's YouTube. Episode 2. I posted this on my Twitter and on my Instagram. MP, Jay, Baron, myself. Man, look at this market starting to sell off here. Episode 2. We got Micron down 1%, Nvidia down 0.5%, Google down 0.5%, Tesla down 0.5%, Walmart down 0.5%. SpaceX is now on the Nasdaq, so it's down 0.3%. We got gold down a little bit, and crude hanging around at $72 a barrel. Shorts came in. What's up, Movie Maker? How many points are you trying to catch on the NQ? Well, if you guys tuned in, I already took my first trade. I caught like 27 points. Start off the night. I mean, that's like a whole session's worth of points. I say this a lot. And maybe I don't say it enough. If you can average 10 points a day in the NASDAQ, remember, average. Some days are going to be positive, some days are going to be negative. Average 10 points a day. That's amazing. You don't need more than that. Like, when I first started out trying to day trade in the NASDAQ, in the futures, that's what my goal was. Like, oh wait, 10 points, 10 points. If I could average 10 points a day, knowing that some days we're going to be red, some days we're going to be more green, I want to average 10 points a day. Just have a positive average. 10 points is all you need. 10 points on one mini. What's that? That's $200 a day. That's a good daily wage. And I don't want to say that's easy, but the opportunities are more because we're seeing such crazy volatility. 10 points was a lot more difficult during this Asian session a few years ago. And now we're seeing 100-point moves during this time a night like it's nothing. Yeah, almost 5,000 a month. Yeah. So have some more realistic expectations. All right. Not feeling this song. All right. Come on. Let's do those hashtag slow markets. It's too volatile to trade minis even in slow markets. Yeah, it's just an example, right? 10 points a day. Great average. Now, I'm not saying that's exactly your target and exactly your stop loss. I'm just saying average, right? Over like 3 months, if you could average 10 points a day, it's like, wow, 3 months, there's 20 trading days, and I made 200 points. Yeah. What do you think changed? The markets went up, right? So as price goes higher, the percentage move is still the same. Like say the NASDAQ moves 1%, but the amount of points in that percentage is greater. Yeah, yep. Now everyone's kind of rotating to micros. Micros are a lot more. There you go. JVM, I'll show you mine if you show me yours. Speaking of that, guys, everybody tuning in, Topstep did just post. If you guys check the Topstep dashboard, look at the Topstep dashboard. Go to profile. There's something there that you guys might want to look at. That's all I'm going to give you. Little Easter egg. Go to Topstep dashboard. Go to the profile. There's something there. I'm seeing traders post it already. Yeah, WAG, the public trader profile. Pretty cool. This is a picture of your meat. I cooked hamburgers last night. Nikkei doesn't have micros. No. Alright, is this a 3-bar reversal for a long? Look at the buying stepping in. I'm not convinced. I'm still seeing the major Tech 9, Tech 10 now with SpaceX. They're still red. We got Meta is up 1.7. I'm going to let this play out. We got 15 minutes till the bottom of the hour. Yeah, that's going all over social media now. Nice. All right, get some more selling. I don't know. Yeah, bottom of the hour. Let's see. It gives us an opportunity to go through some more of this playlist. I'm going to see if I can go through and like some of these songs. Smoke, how's my day been? It's been a really good day for me. Do we keep selling off is the question. We still got 13 minutes to the bottom of the hour. Yeah, that was a little sneaky sell-off right there. So I wasn't convinced of that 3-bar reversal yet. We didn't even confirm it. And this is why it's like, okay, not this song. This is why I don't take every single 3-bar reversal. For that reason, right? There's context between every trade. Like, what's the overall market doing? Where are we at? What's the... Yeah, so many things that can be at play. Look at this market dump. Yeah, right back near these lows. I might even consider another short here. But I'm up. It's Friday. You don't want to have a good week and then give it all back on Friday. It's Friday's price action. Thursday night, Friday's price action. The worst thing for me as a trader, and it's happened to me often, is you end your week on a red day. It's like, you had a great week. The very last day of the trading week, you end it red, and that ruins your weekend, right? You overthink. And the entire weekend, you just can't get your mind off of it. It just ruins it. You've done that many times. No car, dude. Yeah, too familiar. Man, if you haven't done it, you haven't traded long enough yet. It's a matter of when, not if. Buyers still trying to hold these 860s, 870s. Your last 6 months. Yeah, there's a time even on air. Right? Who remembers that? Fade Me Fridays. I was joking about it. Seems like every single Friday I was ending up red. Just don't fade Fridays. Make 1, 2, 3. Coincidence. 1, 2, 3. We paid enough for dinner. We paid enough for dinner. We made enough for dinner to pay for dinner. We made enough to pay for dinner. 2 years ago. Yeah, paid me Fridays. It was, man. Every Friday I was taking losses in front of you, in front of everybody too. It's all on air in front of everybody. All right, I'm not seeing any good hashtag slow markets yet. Come on, chat. Come on, everybody. I know you guys are trading it up somehow. You don't even have to share your trades. Just share something funny. As long as it's appropriate and I like it, I don't mind showing it. Micron down 1%. Nvidia down 0.5. Yeah, I'm neutral. I don't mind either direction on this market here. I think we could either break down or go up. Like, I'm not biased right now. We're just right in the middle. Bottom of the hour in 10 minutes anyway. Hashtag slow markets. All right, we got some more 1990s funky jazz with a hip-hop vibe. A mellow saxophone and horns. Okay. That funk. Play that funky music. Wait. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna look for another short here. Let's take it. I'm gonna take this, not let's. There's a risk disclosure. I'm gonna manage it. I'm gonna play for another breakdown. We've picked up to those 888. Gonna manage the risk on this. I'd look for a breakdown to 850s. Just a lot of sellers going into the bottom of the hour. Lately, we've been seeing a move right before the bottom of the hour. So let's see if we get some selling follow through here. Second trade of the night. Vol slip. I know Colombia lost to Switzerland in penalty. That was a rough one. I know I was rooting for Colombia. Someone says 30K incoming. Someone's looking for the long side. Buy him. That was a boring match. Yeah, 0-0 all game. But I love the penalty shootout. All right, here comes some selling. Someone's eyeballing those 820s. You're eyeballing those 820s there. I could see that. I could see us going down and test those lower 800s. Bottom of the hour in just over 7 minutes. I'm short 3 from 871. Let's get through to these 50s. Got my emergency stop loss. I plan to get out before it hits there, but I always have to have a stop loss no matter what. All right, let's get through these session lows. Look at this. We get some momentum on our side. Trade number 2. Keep going. Don't stop. There we go. There we go. There's a flush to the 50s. Okay, will we hold it? Will we hold it? And I like this song coming on. There, I'm gonna take one off right there at the low for 18 points. Flush through these 50s. There we go. I'm liking that. There we go. Take another one off for 25 points. Bottom of the hour in 6 minutes still. You guys are watching this live in a live account. Others try and duplicate it. Boom. Out. Out. Right there. That was what? Another 30 point? I think that was 30 points right there. So I caught 50 points already tonight. Not too bad. Not too bad. Sheesh. Just past the 50K. Nice work. Another banger. Only sexy traders can do that. Hey, I'm gonna show that one. I got a good dad. Okay, everybody. I got a good dad joke tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna be on at. Oh man, look at this market sell off. Someone called out, shouted, good work calling out those 820s. I love that. Great work. I'm going to be on Fast Markets tomorrow morning for the Open with Andre. I'm helping run the morning. I got a good dad joke. And he might be listening, so I'm not going to say anything yet. I'm just going to tell you, I laughed pretty hard. I don't know. It might be a little cringe, but I thought it was funny. Got you on the hashtag slow markets. Make sure you tag me in it. Still got 4 minutes to the bottom of the hour. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. You have to tag me in it. Hashtag slow markets. Yeah, you click on the link. There's my profile, and just tag me in it if you want to share me. All right, I'm liking this playlist overall. Dakota, I'm copy trading 5 150k combines. Okay. Okay, Ivan Smith. Do we keep going to 776? I don't know. We get this pullback. Two and a half minutes to the bottom of the hour. I already caught 50 points. Like, I'm good. I'm chilling. AT1 the future. What's my account balance? My account balance is completely irrelevant for what I do on air. Because it's the same process, and you guys see me trade the same process, whether it's say a $10,000 account balance, or it's a $1 million account balance, or $500,000 account balance, or $50,000 account balance. It's the same exact process. I've demonstrated it many times. Maybe it's $10 million and I'm just over here trading 3 micros. This has like a Christmas vibe. And I'm not ready for Christmas. Man, this is very intense. Word up, makes sense? Yeah. Yeah, and I do recommend for traders to hide their own account balance and hide some of this stuff, and they focus on points and ticks. Because when you're watching the P&L go up, back and forth, it's very easy to start to connect that with emotions, and FOMO, making poor decisions based off of dollar amounts. It's very emotional, right? And a lot of times, even if you think you're not doing it, you're subconsciously doing it, because the human is connected to like money and P&L, whether you think you are or not. It's just a subconscious thing. All right, bottom of the hour, 20 seconds. Oh, too dramatic. Okay. Some buying stepping in here now. Okay, bottom of the hour is in. Do we get a bounce or do we get continuation? I like that indecisive candle here. Let's see what we do. It's the bottom of the hour. The music's intense. I know. There's 64 songs. A1? Well, I appreciate it. Glad you're tuning in. Man, is this a 3-bar reversal here? It's hard. This one's a difficult one for me to take. I'm gonna just. I have 2 winning trades tonight. I'm up $273. I'm not completely convinced on this because I'm looking at the tech stocks and they're still pretty red. So I'm not convinced on this long. I might be wrong, but hey, I'm not gonna be giving some money back. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, this is a little more chill. This is a little more chill vibe. Any thoughts on gold? I haven't been looking at gold lately. I've been really focused on the NASDAQ. Coach J's been much better than I am on gold. I don't look at volume, James. Alright, it's a little more chill. Yeah, I have 65 songs to go through, so just bear with me. We'll go through them together. Alright, bottom of the hours came and gone. Not really doing much. We're not seeing a bounce. Kind of seeing a lot more selling coming in. Some sellers are staying aggressive here. Let's see if they'll change. What stocks do I look at? I looked at the major tech stocks like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, Walmart, Meta, Broadcom, Micron, and SpaceX. You can see it here. Look at this. There you go. I don't know if you can read it or not. But this is my phone. And I just have a watch list. And that's what I look at. Nothing complex. Nothing crazy. Okay, this is a little bit better. Alright, new session lows. Yeah, sellers are just too strong right now. Look at this. Do we see 700s? Let's take a look at the hour. Hour's not looking too hot. What do we see? I was asking the question, do we come down and test this level of support and resistance right at the beginning of slow markets? That was something that was on my mind. Maybe we do. Maybe we do. I don't know. Lots of selling coming in tonight. I think you could have held those sells until fast markets. Maybe, right? I was originally short from way up here. McDurf, Dakota, I enjoy trading with you, brother. I enjoy it. I love slow markets. I very rarely miss slow markets. Like, I have to be sick and not feeling good for me not to show up. 720s. Are we trading? 795 long, only above 845. I'm trying to be patient here. I've had 2 trades. I'm up 50 points. And we're just kind of chilling, listening to a new playlist. I'm just going through it. Feeling the vibe. Oh, here we go. This is one of my... This is a good one. How do I mark save on this one? I don't know. This is what the cool kids are. What's your response on the crew calling you a diva? I mean, I have no response. I mean, when they first met me, maybe I was. I was pretty pissed. I'm gonna be honest. A long airplane ride. The airline lost my luggage, and I show up, and it's hot as heck. It's so hot. And I'm in sweats and a long sleeve shirt. So I was not in the mood. So yeah, first impression of me, definitely. And it was, yeah, I would have yeah. Oh, Val. I wanted to punch. Yeah, I was pretty upset. And then they're like, let's go to the zoo. I'm like, in the middle of the day, it's hot, and this is what I'm wearing, and we're going to the zoo. You know what? Why not? Why not? I was gonna just walk around without my shirt, but you guys would be blinded. I have enough money to buy a shirt. Well, that's the thing, is time, right? You show up and I don't have time to stop and buy clothes and everything and get it all sorted out. Man, SpaceX is right at $2 trillion market cap. Blinded by my whiteness. Bulldog, I do. Whenever I go to Vegas, man, Rips is my first call. Regardless of what anybody thinks or says, I consider Rips a friend. When I went down to Vegas for the first time, him and his wife welcomed me into their home, and I have nothing but respect for him and his wife. Still a lot of selling pressure here. Review says, what happened to the girl that Jim ghosted? That was a dad joke. And the dad joke, if you missed it, you guys want to see that dad joke I posted? I'll tell you it. Ready? Where was it? I don't know. Man, was it that long ago? Okay, here it is. Yeah, it wasn't. Yeah. It says I broke up with the girl I was dating. Invited her to the gym, and she didn't show up. That's when I realized we were not going to work out. Yeah. It is just a joke. I never did break up with somebody, and I wasn't dating anyone. Yeah. Haha. Yeah. Work out. It's funny, in my opinion. I am 25 years old, James. I got some good ones. I just can't say on air though. Yeah. I should not have liked that as much as I did. I know it's stupid, but it's funny. Yeah. If I shave, I look 25. I'm not. I'm younger than 34. My best one was with Mohammed. The show is pretty entertaining. We want more episodes. Well, there's one coming out on Friday. I showed it. Right? See? There's one coming out tomorrow. Tomorrow. That's going to be a good... I'm excited for this one. All right, here comes some buying. Here comes some buying stepping into this market. A little pullback. I'll get in. I'll take it. I'll take it. Let's see if we get a scalp. See if we get some momentum back up to these mid 30s, maybe 40s, or is it just gonna get me in? Sometimes this is a fake out. What do we call it? A trap? Did I just get trapped? You be the judge. Market will be the judge. Did I just get trapped? Tonight is really slow markets. No, it's good. I'm up 50 points already in 2 trades. Tonight's good. Did I just get trapped, chat? Did the market get me? Maybe. There's only one way to find out, and that's follow a process. Put the emotions aside and let it all work out. Possible. Jade says, don't long yet. I just got to put my emotions aside, my opinion aside right here, and just follow this process. We'll see. We're going to see. I'm looking for 840s. Take some profits on a bounce. Looking for a 3-bar reversal. We still got 2 minutes, but very much I see this often as a bull trap where we pop up and then we slam, and people who got long here take a loss. But there's plenty of times where it's not. Someone says the hourly looks nasty. We got just over 16 minutes to the top of the hour. I would have liked it to come down to the 790s and then start to rally. Let's see. We'll watch this. That's why we risk, right? That's why we put risk on, because nobody really knows. And I got in, looking for a 3-bar reversal, break through these 822s. All right. Let's see, do we see any follow through here? Not seeing some crazy buyers stepping in yet, but we're still holding these 20s so far. Someone said, Capital 780 marked long. Yeah, 5 minute just closed, so it's a confirmed 3-bar reversal. I need to see us back above 32 though. I need to see us above this 32 mark. And we still have the top of the hour in 15 minutes. Seeing a little bit more buying. Or is it just less selling? Yeah, we need to get above 32. I would take this trade 10 times out of 10. I like this entry. If I was flat, I would be looking to get into a long here. This is trade number 3. Take it to session highs. LFG. Take it to session highs. Come on, let's get above 32s and hold. You see, they don't want it above 32 right now. So was it Dakota? Did I just wake up? No. I had a 2-hour-long massage though, and I have sparring after class, so I'm on some pre-workout. All right, let's. Alright. Is 30,000 possible? ACH, anything can happen. Can we try it? Come on, NASDAQ. Make it happen. 30,000. No, we don't want to be. NASDAQ does not want to be above 32. Someone turned the algorithm against me here. Is this trading against algo bots? Explain that. I'm confused. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Trading against algo bots is so much fun. All right, come on. Get above 32 and hold. Get above 32 and hold. I'm looking for 40s. Looking for 40s here. It does not want to stay above 32. We gave it a good college try. We gave it a good college try, didn't we? I'll manage the risk. I'll take minus $60. We can still bounce there. I'll cut it short. I'll cut it short. I don't mind getting back in if we see something set up, but too strong. Show how you calculate the stop loss? Sure. Look at that pivot. Stop loss was below there, but I like to get out early, right? Looking at this support and resistance, I don't mind getting out there. I mean, we still might bounce. We still might bounce here. I could always get back into the market if I like it. We have 11 minutes. We got 11 minutes to the top of the hour. I know, troops. That's why I heard you delete that. Get out and push. Now it's gonna go. It's still a 3-bar reversal. Market just did not want to get above 32. Got 10 minutes to the top of the hour. I don't mind getting into this again. Like I said, it's easier for me to get back in than to hold if it's going against me. But let's see what we want to do. I found my secret to trading. I wanted to go long, so I went short and made money. Hey, Sometimes that works, right? Okay, let's get back into this. We held 17, popped back above 24. See if we can get to that target. Looking for 840s. Marish says no. What happened? All right, this is one I'm okay adding. Nope, I was gonna add to it. Dang it! I was gonna add if we broke above 27. Oof. I missed the ad right there. We need to get above 832. Top of the hour in 8 minutes. Something I need to be aware of. Will we get above 832 is the question. Lots of sellers there. I'm gonna add 2 contracts. I'll do full 5. I like this. Playing for a break now. Let's get above these 32s. There we go. Come on, buyers. Stay above 32. Got some orders getting filled. Above it. Just over 7 minutes to the top of the hour. Still not a solid breakout though. You see that nice momentum burst. Not to the downside. Not that way. This is a good song. We were above 832 for a solid 5 seconds. Will we get back above it? Someone says add. No, I'm not going to get into anything more than 5. Five contracts. That's plenty in this type of volatility for me. All right, we're back above 32. Oh, we're trying. We're trying. Top of the hour, 6 minutes. We are definitely giving it a try and rejecting. Where are the buyers? They're trying. The buyers are trying, okay? They're getting smacked around a little bit. I'm one of them. I'm getting smacked around. Are they going to wait for the top for the hour is the question mark? Just over 5 minutes. Or are we gonna? We could easily continue and go down and break 800. We could sell off here. Okay. Out to lunch. Okay, I like this song. This is a nice chill vibe. This is the vibe I like. All right, pushing higher. Pushing higher, getting some momentum. Can we see these 40s? All right. Let's see if we get those 40s in play. 5 minutes to the top of the hour. Let's take a little peek at the 40s, shall we? Let's start mooning. We tagged 40. We just barely tagged 40. Someone says, Bangin says, give me a bounce of the VWAP. Where's the VWAP at for you? All right, we're taking a look at the 40s. It's tickling them. There's a push through them. Okay, I'm going to take one off right there at 43 quarters. Nice. 50. Take another one off at 50. Catching 20 points on that move. Green on the screen. Top of the hour in less than 4 minutes. See, if I would have just held true to my stop loss earlier. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, I should have held true to my original stop loss, right? Would have been sick. Would have been sick. That's okay. That is a-okay. We are printing some money tonight. We are paying for all the dates again. We pay for the dates. I'll move my stop loss and blow that pivot right there. Yeah, it's a decent spot. Honestly, we could tighten that up a little bit more. Green on the screen. This printing. Back the truck up. Back the truck up into these 60s. Sheesh. I'm going to take one more off, and I got this runner on. Oh, we got this runner on, and just sit back. I like this song, too. Yeah, this is a good one. This is a good one. Yeah, I'll be missing gold. That's all right. We're making gold right here. Hola. Hola. Hold a runner to auto liquidator. Do the auto liquidation. Hola. ¿Cómo está? 87,000. We're cooking here. All right. I made 50 points earlier. Got out for like a minus 7 point loss. And now we are in 30 point winner. I got a runner on. Here for the vibes. Hey, no problem. You can stay here for the vibes. Oh man, no man, this is cooking. This is cooking, chat. We just hang out. Send it. Send it. We just hang out now and enjoy this playlist. I'm liking this music. This is good. This is good vibe. I guess I could go through some hashtag slow markets. Good vibe, good trading. You're a happy camper. Hey, that's all we could ask for. Thank you, Shift. Great trade. Yeah, now that's what you call a 3-bar reversal. Music is a little quieter than normal. It's it's good. It's good for me, and so far so good. Good vibes. Top of the hour is in. We caught the bottom. We're bottom pickers. No. Scratch that. Delete what I just said. We're picking bottoms. We're bottom pickers. We're just traders, okay? Yeah, people could clip that. There's dirty body pick, yeah. BTFD. Yeah, that's what sitting on your hands means. If you guys could see the chat that's grayed out, the stream would be wild. Uh-oh. Junk in the trunk. Alright, let's make a higher low here. I need to move my stop loss somewhere. Shorts here, boys. Joke's on you, I'm not wearing any. Let's just looking for a place to move my stop loss. Break even? I need to move it at a place for a reason. There's got to be a reason why I moved my stop loss. With the power of hindsight, honestly, below this would have been a nice place. This is a risk-free trade. I took 2 of the contracts off for like plus 20 points. This is a risk-free trade. I was long 5. I took 4 of them off. Someone says just get out. If I just get out, then the runner can't run. Cut it. Take the 20 bucks. Where's the low on that? The low is down here. Might be the right. No. This was a 5 contract trade, so I don't mind. Do I just take the $20? Do I take the $20 bill and run? Alright, okay, I'll take it. I'll take the $20 bill and run. There we go. Up $400 tonight. Up $400. When I took 4 off, I was in 5 contracts, and I took profit on 4 of the contracts. That's what it means when I say I took 4 off. So tonight I'm up. Oh. I'm up 66 points tonight. Net. That's after commissions. That's after everything. Your OCD is now verified. Hey, I took the $20. I was okay with leaving the runner on. My stop loss was here, but that was the right decision. Obviously, now the market is starting to sell off. Valid. Tory Trades says, help me, I'm in drawdown. I mean, you need... I'm going to pass. I'm going to pass. Just tune in to Slow Markets each and every night and bring a pen and pencil. DBA concepts is the only way. DBA on the way. In your live account, how frequently do you take a payout? Not frequent. Don't do what I do when it comes to payouts, okay? Everybody's different. Everyone has their own unique situation, what their goals are, what they need, what they're looking for, when they should take a payout, right? For me, I don't care about the money, so I don't plan to take payouts. I like the times I'll take payouts was when like MP asked me to. He's like, you need to take a payout. So I took like $120 to cover the data fee. And then he's like, just take, I had the account up to like 300 and something thousand dollars. I had my live account up to like $320,000 or something. I took $250,000 out, went through drawdown, then I took another 100,000 out or something, and then went through another drawdown and lost it. And I just want to build the account up. I don't plan to take a payout anytime soon. No, it's not about having money or being poor or rich or anything. It's just everyone has their different goals, right? My goal for this account is to build the account balance. I want to build this account balance. Build it tick by tick. Yeah, with micros. When do you go to live? I am in my live account right here. I'm going for the Trader Octagon if you guys want to be on it. If you guys really want to know. And I want to build my account to a size where I'm competitive in the Trader Octagon. Right now, I'm not. No. I'm not going to be top 100 in the Trader Octagon. Let's take a look at that. Let's see. Let's see. There's some amazing freaking traders, live traders here at Topstep. And I don't plan to be competitive. I do the joke, you guys. Hey, I'm gonna be trying. I'm gonna be trying. Go to the Trader Octagon, Topstep Octagon. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. You know, I might be competitive in this account, but I would need to increase my size, and I need to trade more aggressive. But I don't want to do that. I don't want to increase my size, and I don't want to trade more aggressive until I continue to build my account balance. And once I start building my account balance, then naturally the P&L will increase as well. But there's some awesome traders here. I mean, look at this. 47,000, and it's only July 9th. It's only July 9th. And these traders are putting up some amazing numbers. It's pretty cool. Yeah, Topstep has an amazing live program, some amazing live traders. You just don't see that anywhere else. Jimbo says, how you know you are our favorite traders. Well, I appreciate it. We're getting some selling here. Look at the selling stepping in. Plenty of volatility. Opportunity. What are you guys? Short or long? Let's hear it. Jack started on the 6th. I have yet to... I will be setting up my public profile in the Topstep dashboard probably tomorrow. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Dakota, I'm long 10 minis in the personal. Well, from what price and what market? flat. You're having a beer, Alan? Have one for me. Have one for me. I'm going to get long here. I'm looking for this to be a higher low. I'm looking for this to be a higher low. I've seen this before. And I will add if we could break back above these 32. 32 has been an interesting... Oh, come on. This... What am I doing? I'm struggling over here. Clicking buttons. If we could hold this level, I'm going to add... I don't mind risking 30 points. Alright, I'm going to add one. I'm going to add another. Let's see if we get a higher low right here. Someone says, oh, it's going to tank. We're going to tank. Green days turn red, someone says. Hopefully you're reserving your capital. All right, I'll take one off right there. Take another off right there. Remember, you guys, bring your pen and pencil. Pen and paper. Why is bro long? Come on, chat. You guys hitting that like button. I'm trading my live account in front of you. What interesting. Interesting. I'm listening to another channel and they are shorting it. Well, that's why they are there and I'm here. Wonder if they're in their live account. Are they in their live account too? Have I had an amateur fight? Yes, but not sanctioned. I have not had a sanctioned amateur fight. And don't spam the chat. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Spam in the chat. I need that button. Just get him out of here. All right, I'm gonna take off a couple more contracts. Lock him up. Have I met Don King yet? No. What do you mean met Don King? Someone says, can you short instead? I mean, you can if you want, if you have a process. I don't know why anybody would watch another channel. What do you do? Kickboxing? No, I'm a purist. I love boxing. When are we gonna fight? Dude, we fighting every night here. We fight every night. We got the markets. We got the markets. Well, I hope that other channel manages their risk. And shows everything. Hey, I lose in front of you as well. I lose in front all the time. I lose all the time. I had a loss. I had a losing trade tonight. The other channel is from a tent. The tent and some Wi-Fi. Hey, I could make an argument to go short here. I could definitely make an argument to go short. And I'm going to be honest. Everybody who trades, regardless of your opinion, regardless of where they're at, we kind of just want to cheer for them, right? It's us as retail, and we need to be behind retail. If somebody's willing to stream, you want them to succeed. It takes a lot of courage and a lot of guts to trade in front of people. I joke, right? Talk a little smack and joke and back and forth. But honestly, it doesn't matter who it is. You definitely want to see some winning. You want to see that positive vibe, I guess. But there's just not another slow markets. I will say that though. There's not another slow markets. How much is my account now? Well, my account is $484 more than what it was when I started. All right. All right, I'll lock up another 20 points there. We're locking up the profits. How many accounts do you copy in? One. See, uno. My one singular live count that I show in front of you. And we're tearing it up here. I'm going to call it good. I'm going to call it good. We should call this good, right? This is pretty good, right? This is not too bad. Up a lot. Up a lot. 562 tonight. That paid for dinner and dates again. Uno. Yeah, boxing. I am a boxer. And boxing is a complete different sport than, say, jiu-jitsu, or what do you call it? Kickboxing. Kickboxing, boxing. Yeah. I'm out. You talked me out of 29,900. Hey, this thing could still go up. Expensive dates. Southpaw or Orthodox? Orthodox, but I am working on my Southpaw stance. What's my daily profit goal? I don't have a daily profit goal. I'm a diner, a dater. I'm a diner. I'm a boxer. I'm a diner. Oh my gosh, this is the yeah, the sweet science. It's the sweet science. Yeah. You want to see? I'll pull down my green screen for you if we get to if we get to 600 likes. I'll pull down my green screen. Oh, that's a special. Maybe I should do that for 700 likes. If we get to 700 likes, I'll pull down my green screen for you. Yeah, whatever. That framing was wild. You know what? Sometimes I just say things without thinking them through, okay? This sounds so dirty. Well, for 600 likes, you'll get it. All right. Who knows why I took that trade? You guys know why I took that trade, right? You guys seen? I walked through it. I talked through it. I executed. Okay, I showed everybody. I was looking for a higher low. It worked. Yeah, no account switching, no smoke and mirrors BS that a lot of people do. Okay, good. Make sure it was you knew what I was talking through, because sometimes I get people, they're like, Dakota, I see you place trades all the time, but it looks random. You're gambling. That's random. You're just picking a random direction. And sometimes it looks like that. I admit, sometimes if you go back and replay, it's like, okay, the dude looks like he's just randomly placing a trade. But there's a lot that goes on before just clicking the button. And yeah, from the outside looking in, I'm just going to buy it here. It looks good. I'm just going to buy it. No, but there's a lot more that goes on than just that. And that's kind of what I want to show and demonstrate every night. I try and talk through it. It's a lot to get into, a little bit at a time. Some of it is experience, time in the markets. They don't always work out. There's no guarantees. ACH, anything can happen. But I'm sure for those who tune in for slow markets each night, you know what I refer to all the time. Dang, we're almost to 600 likes already. We got 8 minutes. 600 likes. I'll pull down my green screen. Yeah, that is a weird way to frame it, huh? Now that I'm thinking through, that's funny. After doing it for so long, the way the candles move tells you something. Yeah, Chase. Yeah, you visually see the order flow. You visually see the market. Green screen reversals. Yeah. Hey. How about the green? We called the lows. We called the freaking lows on each of these moves. Dr. Dax, no, this is not OnlyFans. It's free. This is free. This is only profits? I don't know. I'm late to the party. Only funds. There we go. Only funds. I like that one. We got Dakota pulling down his green screen before GTA 6. We're almost there too, chat. We're at 513 likes. Look at this rally. Should have held on to that runner. We're cooking here. Only profits premium. Do you only trade on Topstep? Yeah. Yep. Topstep is my partner. Topstep's a great partner. I'm here with Topstep as a coach, as an educator. And I love every minute of it. Why is bro going long? You should be asking yourself, why didn't bro? Why didn't you go long? Why didn't you go long down there at the bottom? Long and strong. Why was people going short there? Why'd you sell? That's the better question. Two amigos, I'm still long 10 minis. Nice work. You are coach, but you don't coach. I do coach, Leo Trades says you are coach, but don't coach. Well, if you tune in, you got some good coaching. Right? Right? You learn a thing or two? Some people are uncoachable. Do I say that? Do I say that? Yep. I did. Right. Sometimes I'm not the best coach. I just try and trade in front of you. I just try and trade. All right, we got 5 minutes to go. 600 likes. Dakota should be charging for his coaching. Honestly, some real talk here. What you get on TopstepTV, like what you guys get here, Me demonstrating this in a live account, showing executions, talking through my analysis. The value is pretty wild. It really is honest. It really is. You're getting it for free on YouTube. And I don't know. You throw a number out there, times it by 5, and that's probably how much you would pay if you want something like this. From someone who's been trading full-time for a pretty long time. And Topstep has provided me this platform, and I loved every moment of it. Yeah, so and you could see it. You could see it. Look at Topstep's live traders on the Octagon. There's some amazing live traders here at Topstep. Did we get to 600 likes? All right, I'll pull down my green screen. Let's see. We got this. Just don't judge me, okay, chat? Don't judge me. Yeah. Okay, 600 likes. We're 50 likes away, and I'll pull down my green screen. I'm going to be on air tomorrow at Market Open. So at Market Open tomorrow morning, I'm going to be live on air for fast markets. So I'm coming on TopstepTV a little bit early. I'm going to be joining Andre for fast markets. It's going to be fun. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going up plus $562 tonight. It's as soon as the U.S. market opens. It's someone knows it's 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. Central. Ooh, and I like this song. All right, I'm pulling my green screen down for you. Don't judge though, because I don't clean this room very often. All right. Joey wants to live in your head. Yeah, Andre's awesome, man. Oh, here we go. There it is. There's my oh, you can't even see it. Bro's got a bunch of garbage bags. Yeah, a bunch of garbage bags. No. Yeah, see? Just a bunch of boxing crap. I've got like 10 pair of boxing gloves. Yeah. There's golf clubs. You want to see? Yeah, punch the bag. Nah, you guys got to see. That'd take like 2,000 likes. You want me to do some work on the bag. Finish. Yeah. Thought he was in a dark underground room? Nah. Let me see. Hit that. No. If you guys want to see me do some bag work, it'll take a lot. Stand up in front of you and do some bag work. No, BJJ, no. Y'all should do Topstep cribs. Well, tomorrow premieres episode 2 of the Trader House. I do play golf. Why don't I play golf? Look, golf clubs right there. There's some golf clubs. There's my golf clubs. You saw a bag in the Trader House? Yeah, you saw a bag. These bags are a little bit different. Shadow boxing coach. Yeah, no, there's like 5 pairs of gloves and a few jump ropes and a bunch of gear right there. All right, well, we're coming to the end. Everybody. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning for the market open. I'm excited. We're gonna leave it there. Take care, everybody. Bye.